To connect your Oral-B IO Series 3 to your iPhone, first confirm your phone is running iOS 12 or later, and that Bluetooth is turned on in settings. Next, download the official Oral-B app from the App Store. Open the app, sign in or create an account, then tap Add New Brush and select IO3 from the list. On the toothbrush, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the LED flashes blue. This means pairing mode is active. Within 30 to 45 seconds, the app should detect the brush and confirm the connection. Once paired, you'll unlock real-time tracking, pressure feedback, and brushing history inside the app. If it won't connect, turn Bluetooth off and back on, or restart your iPhone to refresh the Bluetooth cache. Force close and reopen the app if it freezes. Keep the toothbrush battery above 20% and stay within about 3 feet of your phone during setup. Also, ensure your iOS and app are updated for best compatibility. Most connection issues are solved by resetting Bluetooth, updating software, or re entering pairing mode properly.